Fire in the hole! Let's cook some pork belly burnt ends. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my barbecue pit. What I'm doing for you today is we're going to make pork belly burnt ends. These are chunks of pork belly that I've cut up from strips of pork belly. You know what pork belly is, right? It's what they make bacon out of. Anyway, we got to cut it into little 1-inch chunks. And I'm going to take some of this stuff. This is Malcolm Reed's Killer Hogs barbecue rub. Now I select this rub for a reason. This rub has a lot of sugar in it. And for this cook, you want to rub with sugar in it. Now if you were making a brisket, let's say, or any other barbecue, you might not want as much sugar in your rub. But I want sugar in this rub because I want these pieces of pork belly to cook and to get caramelized on the edges. And I'm also going to use this that you can see over here, my Only Fire rotisserie basket that my buddy Craig just gifted me. We're going to get these pork belly pieces rubbed down with this Malcolm Reed's, generously coated with Malcolm Reed's Killer Hogs rub. Good stuff. I'll tell you, I've used it before. It makes a beautiful color on your pork because it's got paprika in it. I guess it's mostly sugar, brown sugar and white sugar, both kinds of sugar in this. So I've got my pork belly pieces pretty well rubbed down with the Malcolm Reed's. Let's put a little bit more on there. It can't hurt and it might help. Get them good and coated down. Now I got my Only Fire basket down here. Let me move this out of the way so you can see. This is the Only Fire rotisserie baskets. And what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to open them up. Got them open already. Open them up and spray them with some cooking spray. That's just going to help with the cleanup later on. I hope help keep the stuff from sticking to the basket. Then we're going to load them up with that pork belly like this. Hope there are enough here. Yeah, I think it is. Okay. I want to put about half in each basket. Now these are tumbler baskets. What's going to happen is as this turns, they're going to like tumble around in there. Okay, let's fill this one up. Get this one filled up with pork belly that's been rubbed with Malcolm Reed's. We're going to close them tightly so that they won't open up on the grill. There you go. Get this out of the way. We'll get that rig spinning on the grill. I'll show you what that looks like. And we'll get our pork belly cooked. They got to cook till about 190 degrees internal temperature, so it's going to take a while. Let me get them on there, get them spinning. We won't have a spinning video this week because I'm going to show you the video where I got the baskets from Craig. Anyway, yeah, let me get them spinning. I'll show you what that looks like. Stay tuned. Okay, got the pork belly pieces are in the basket, spinning on the fire. And there's nothing to do now but let them spin and cook in there. Like I said, I got to get them up to about 190, 200 degrees internal on those pieces of meat. It's going to take a while. It's going to take about an hour and a half, I estimate. And they're going to run in those baskets. See how they're like tumbling in that basket? Isn't that cool? I really need to make a spinning meat video. I could post it on Reddit if nowhere else, I guess. And yeah, that's my pork belly burnt ends cooking. I'll bring you back in a little while, about an hour from now. We'll test the temperature of them, make sure they're coming along. Got to put the cover on that and get them cooking. Like I said, they got to get up to 190 degrees. So stay tuned. I'll bring you back when they get more cooked. Wow, it's only been about an hour and these things are starting to look right. I'm going to stop it and see if I can get a temperature check on these. Let's see. Stop this rotisserie. It's a little hard to stop. Okay. Got it stopped. Get my thermometer out here and see if I can spear one of these. They are looking right. Let me tell you. Let's get the temperature on that one. Okay, he's clocking it at 189. Let's see if I can get one over here. 193. Yeah, I think they're ready for the next step. Let me get them off there in a pan and we'll get them some sauce on them. Stay tuned. So I said this is going to be easy, didn't I? It only took about an hour on that rotisserie to get those things up to temp. I'm gonna dump this one out first, if I can, without getting burnt. Dump that one out. Now let me open up the other one and get it dumped out into my pan. There we go. All but one straggler. Got it done. Okay, now, wow, they're looking good already. They're not quite done yet though. What we gotta do now is get some barbecue sauce on them. I've got a very special sauce for this. I've got some of this Japanese barbecue sauce. This is sweet honey. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, we're gonna douse these with this sweet honey sauce. Now normally if you're doing this, you know, for real, I'm doing this the easy way. You would put some butter on there and cook them a lot longer. But I'm just gonna douse them with this sweet honey barbecue sauce, this Japanese barbecue sauce. Get them all covered in that. Shake that around a little bit. Yeah. Get it coated with that sweet honey barbecue sauce. I look good enough to eat already, I'll tell you. They're not quite done though. That sweet honey barbecue sauce goes along with our beer of the day. We're gonna put that back on the grill for about another 30 minutes, and then we'll be ready to plate this up, take a taste, and drink a beer. So stay tuned. My barbecued pork belly burnt ends are done, I gotta tell you, and they look and smell delicious. My grilling area smells delicious. Here's today's beer. This is a very special beer I got. I tasted this at a restaurant recently, and I had to go hunting for it. It's called Honey Love. It's from the Tarpon River Brewing Company. It's 8% alcohol, I think. It's kind of high alcohol. Let me see, yeah, 9.8% alcohol. But I'll tell you what, this is the best beer I've ever had. I can't wait to pour this out and try it. Rob, if you could find this baby, it's well worth it. Honey Love. It's a cream ale, honey cream ale. And I never had a cream ale before, and I never had a honey cream ale. Wait till you see the color of this stuff. I can't wait to show you. I had this at a restaurant, and it was a self-service tap restaurant. I'm going to tell you all about it in a video one of these days. Look at the color of that. Honey Love. I know this is going to be good. Rob, we got to cross the froth off this before it all disappears. That is superlative. Amazing. I can't say enough good things about that beer. If you could find this, you got to try it. Honey Love. And that goes perfectly with my honeyed, what are these? burnt ends. That's what they are, burnt ends. Anyway, let me turn the camera around, get some of my mouth. Stay tuned. All right, my barbecued pork belly burnt ends are done. Don't they look good? Don't those look delicious? I can't wait to get one of these in my mouth. I know it's going to be good because well, I don't know why. I just know they're good. Look at that. Can't wait to put that in my mouth. Oh. It's delicious. It melts in your mouth. Literally. That's the most delicious bite of pork you'll ever eat. Babies, I'm wearing my new t-shirt, Craig. So I gotta say thank you to Craig, my buddy Craig behind the garage barbecue. He sent me those Only Fire rotisserie baskets and the t-shirt that I'm wearing, and gave me the inspiration for this pork belly burnt ends. That's the easiest way you'll ever make pork belly burnt ends. It was fast and easy. Took about an hour to cook, and it's just amazing. I'll tell you, I can't wait to get another one in my mouth. I just want to get one that's not too hot. They're hot, you know? There's one. Oh, delicious. That's pig candy. Anyway, babies. Sorry, I'm chewing. Delicious pork. This beer is amazing. We got to talk about this beer at the place I first found it. But like I always say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go on the iCard. Look how good I'm pointing to the iCard. And check out my buddy Craig behind the Garage Barbecue. He sent me those baskets and this shirt. He's a great guy. He quit making videos. I don't know what he's doing. He might have his own food truck or his own hot dog stand. I'm not sure. Haven't talked to him about it. But he's a great guy. He's up there in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Says it on the shirt, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. He made a bunch of videos, a bunch of great videos, then he kind of quit. But anyway, go check out his, oh, excuse me, I got a burp. It's not coming. Anyway, here it comes. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. Anyway, go check out his videos. You know, I'm going to put a video on the end screen, the end card of a collaboration that I did with him. I'm going to put my part of the collaboration on the video, but go at his channel and see his part of the collaboration. But I kind of made fun of him a little bit. He's got a big beard, and I went and got a fake beard and did one of his recipes. He's a great guy. Go check out Craig. Subscribe to me. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good. We will drink a beer. This is the best beer I've ever had. I got to tell you how I discovered this beer in another video. Not this week, probably the week after. Anyway, babies, see you next week. Bye!